Okay, hello there, Brohsters. This is the Roman, and welcome back to episode 6, I think, of our Bukkit plugin tutorials. So, in this episode, what we will do is that we'll make event classes and event folders and such to make it more systemized in your plugin. So, the first thing we want to do is go to your package. Then you want to make a new package and name this dot events, like that. And then under here you want to make another one named player, and also you want to make another one named blocks, like that. So you have a player and blocks. So what we have here is block place event. So you want to make the event in a separate class in your blocks folder under events. So let's do that. So block interaction. Actually, we'll just name this for block place. No, block listener. Yeah, let's make it block listener. And then implements. Is there actually anything named block listener? So implements listener, like that, and import that from. Excuse me. There you go. Okay, like that. And then you want to go to your main file, and then under here you want to type in static plugin, static main plugin, like that. Actually, we can make that. No, we can have it static for now. Then under your onDisable, you want to make a public void register events. Actually, let's not make that public. Let's not make that private, so only this file this class can use it. So we want to type in. Can we use PM here? So plugin manager PM equals get server dot get plugin manager. So then in here we want to register all of our events. So we want to do PM dot register. So yeah, the difference here is that with events you will basically just get all of the events in that class, and with register event you will only get you choose what event you want. So we use register event, then new block listener, and then this, because that's the plugin. So then we import that from your package. So now it will make it will register our events into this method, but that won't help us because we haven't used it yet. So instead of registering our events here, we want to just type in register events, like that. So each time the server starts, it will register all of the events from our block listener, or all the classes we type in here. I also want to do a private void register permissions, like so. Then plugin manager PM equals get server dot get plugin manager. Let's see, plugin manager, and then PM dot add permission new permissions dot apply. Exactly. And then instead of using this, we will just do register permissions, like that. So that makes it more tidy in here, so we can actually remove this plugin manager get PM from there, because we already have it defined in our methods. So now we want to go to our block listener file, and let me just quickly check that to make sure, because yeah. Now we can just take our event from down here, and just copy that out, so like so, and then we just paste it in here. Boom, there we go. So now this event will be registered. Let's just take away everything like so, of the unused imports from block listener and event handler and such. And then we also can remove our implement listener from this main class and take away that import as well. So to import or take away unused import, you hold Control and Shift, then you press O. If there's like several imports for one, like for example with block, you have from org.bukkit and then also from net.minecraft. Then it will pop up with a thing saying, do you want to import from org.bukkit or net.minecraft? You always want to use org.bukkit. And then if you hold Control and Shift and press F, it will make it look neater. So if I do it now, it will make it like that. And then Control Shift and S to save all of your open classes and files. So that's basically how you make like a different class for your events. You can also actually make a new player event here. So let's make a new class for player interact. And then implement listener. Control Shift O. And then we want to go to our main class, to our register events method, and then pm.register events, and then events. So we want our listener, which will be new player interact, and then the plugin file, which is this file. Then we import Control Shift S and that. So now we can go on with making our event. Oh, whoops. Okay. So at event handler, public void on player do something. You can name this whatever you do want to. So player. Let's see what do we have. Actually, let's use the player join event like that, and then event. So we can only use event later to like do stuff with our event. Like so, import event handler. So if you now have event, we can get a lot of stuff we can do. Actually, there's not that much we can do with this. So what we want to do, we want to make a thing here. So player equals event.getPlayer. Then we import player from org.bukkit.entity, and then we can do player dot, and then there's lots of things we can do here. So let's see what we can do. We could probably just like send a message to them saying welcome back. Actually, let's make something fun. So let's see. If player dot has played before is equal to false. So if it's the first time they're playing, then bucket event dot get server. Okay. So bucket dot broadcast message chat color dot green plus welcome our newest member plus chat color, let's see, color dot light purple, because I like that for players' names, plus player dot get name plus plus chat color dot green plus to our server. That. So basically what this does is that it will check if the player has played before. If they have not, then the server will broadcast a message so everyone can see it. well, in green it will say welcome our newest member, and then in light purple their name, and then in green again to our server. You have to make sure that you have like a space at the end and the start of the messages before and after the function get name, because or else it will be like welcome our newest member, the Broman, to our server. That's why you need to have spaces like in front of and after there. That's basically it. Oh yeah, if they have played before, then oh my bad. Else Bukkit.broadcast message chat color. Actually, then it won't do anything. No, we'll just do player.send message chat color dot blue plus welcome back to our server, like that. So Control F, Control Shift F, Control Shift S. That's basically it. We haven't added any commands as far as I remember. Let's just check up plugin.yml. Nope. Oh yeah. So now we just update, export, next, finish, yes, and then we start our servers. Oh, start like that, and we can just prepare to go to our server. Also, if you guys want to get early access to my new server, then you can pledge at least $1 each month on my Patreon. Sorry, sometimes I forget the name of what the service is called. Yeah, if you then pledge $1 each month to me on Patreon, then you will get early access to my server when it's getting to that state that I can have other players on it, and you will also get, oh there we go, this is join, and you will also get like your name will be on my stream, and at the end of all of my streams you will be told, or I will thank you, like I will say your name each end of the stream. So yeah, you should definitely check out my Patreon page and see what you get for pledging me. So, okay, there you go. So when we joined, it says, welcome back to our server, and then the Broman joined the game. I'm just trying to quickly want to see if we go to our play interact event here. Event.set join message. And then let's just set it to null. What that will do, so we won't say I have to join the game. So player.set. Oh no, not that. Okay. Oh, there was a zombie here. Huh. Let's see. Time set 0. It's playing very much when I record. I don't know why, but I haven't restarted my computer yet. Oh yeah. So at this one it says welcome back to our server. When we set the join message to null, it will remove the Broman join the game. Okay, whatever. So event set join message null, like that. Then if we just now disconnect, update, export, next, finish, yes, and then you reload the server. Reload just basically starts and stops and starts it, or it reloads the configs and such. So if you make changes, just reload the server and they will be used. So let's go to direct connect like so. And let's wait for it to join. So now it should only send us the message. Yeah, there you go. Now it doesn't say the Broman joined the game, it just says welcome back to our server. This is nice for factions, for example, or server where PvP is on, to like check if they like, if you're raiding someone and like it says in the chat that they log on, then they will like then you would probably just leave. But this makes it so people can't see if you log on unless they actually see it in the base and such. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. There's more advanced listener classes and such. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.